In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the output in Replit. Whether you're just starting out with Replit or looking to get more comfortable with its interface, understanding how to view your code's output is essential for effective coding. Let's walk through the process step by step, starting from locating the console right in your Replit workspace. First, when you open your Replit workspace, the console tool might not immediately catch your eye. If you don't see it, don't worry. It's just a few clicks away. You'll want to navigate over to the left sidebar where all your tools reside. Look for an icon that resembles a grid or a square, often labeled as All Tools. Clicking on this will reveal a list of various tools available for your coding environment. From this list, you'll want to select the console, which will immediately open it up within your workspace. Now that you've got the console ready, it's time to run your code. You can do this effortlessly by clicking on the Run button. Look for it at the top center of your Replit workspace. It should be prominently displayed, ensuring you have easy access. Once you hit that button, your code will begin executing. The brilliance of Replit is that it will communicate real-time feedback directly into the console, giving you immediate insights into how your code is performing. When your code executes, the console becomes a hub of activity. The first thing you'll notice is the real-time logs. These are the outputs generated from commands like console.log. If you're working with JavaScript, or print, if you're coding in Python. They provide valuable insights into what's happening at each stage of your code execution. Keeping an eye on these logs will help you understand the flow and outcome of your code thoroughly. But that's not all the console offers. It also serves as a helpful diagnostic tool by displaying any errors that occur, be it runtime or syntax errors. It's normal to encounter errors as you develop your code, and seeing them displayed in the console allows you to quickly identify and address issues. Rely on this feedback to refine and optimize your coding. In addition to logs and error messages, the console also provides execution metadata. This includes valuable information about your code's run, such as how long the execution took and the status of that execution. These details can be crucial for both understanding performance and for debugging purposes over time. Finally, one of the great features of Replit's console is its ability to preserve the logs from previous executions. Each time you run your code, a new block is created within the console. This means you have a chronological record of every run, helping you keep track of changes and outcomes over the course of your development. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to view the output in Replit with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!